Guys, this is not fair. This Tonarello creamy lemon with mint, it's too good and I wanna eat it all and now I gotta share it with him. Can you believe it? The brother test? What the? Go! You were supposed to wait for me! Let's have a look at this masterpiece! We have the pasta sheets and you can check them out on my previous video, I'm gonna link it below. But we are using fresh pasta sheet which have been made with semolina and 00 flour, and we're going to use the guitar. Have you ever seen this instrument? It's literally an instrument. It's a guitar, right? It's got guitar strings and we're gonna be using it to put the pasta through it and have a shape which is my favorite shape from Rome, Tonarello. It's thick, it's got a square face, it's looking right at you when you're putting it in your mouth and it wants to kiss you. Let's do it, okay? So what I need you to do is with your fingernail,
Right.
okay, you're gonna actually need something to pull this tighter. They're a little floppy, huh?
Look at
Just
that.
like
look
you
at
are.
that. No, I'm not floppy.
That way when the pasta goes through, they're nice and tense. Now what we do, we get a pasta sheet. Nice and thick, you see? Now this is gonna be a to go through, but we're gonna do our best. Because we use the heavy durum weight, it's literally like almost like dry pasta. Okay, so here at this point, you see they're about to go through. Can either like do it again, but I like to use the end and I like to go over. Look how easy they fall through. So you're all the way here, right? And you've got about this much to go. So you gently pull it forward like that, you see? So that you get a little bit of space. Look at this. I'm gonna move it because it's too long. And then I'm gonna do it. Rest. Look. Okay, they're about to come out. Look. Look at this beautiful. You see? They're actually square. It's a square spaghetti. And that's how you want them. You want them a little bit hard. When you cook them, they have to be al dente. They have to have that crunch. Because that's the peculiarity of this specific one. You can make it with carbonara, you can make it with cacio e pepe, you can make it with creamy lemon. It's just one of those, you know? It's never out of style. I just love it. So now, what am I gonna do today? I'm not making a cacio e pepe, I'm not making a carbonara, but what I'm making is a creamy, minty, lemon, Tonarello spaghetti that it's summer delicious. When you're getting the peel of the lemon, what you want to do is get a zester and gently just grate the peel that is yellow. That's where all the essential oils are. That's what you want to have released in your sauce. The zest of the lemon goes in. Look at all the essential oils that are literally going inside the butter. This is the essence of this sauce. Lemon juice. Now the heavy cream goes in. Remember, you've created an infusion with butter, zest, and juice of a lemon. Pasta water is boiling, we've salted it already. Now, the guitar spaghetti go in just for a few minutes. Now you're gonna have to taste them. I know it takes 4 to 5 minutes for this type of pasta, however, I made it extra strong, extra thick. I use more semolina flour. Ah, go!
Yeah.
C'ha fame e si incarta. Don't put your wooden spoons into boiling pasta water. It will literally ruin them, crack them. Tonarello, Someone told me that these look like udon noodles or something, but to me, this is just the shape of love. Just like you are. Hai grattugiato il parmigiano?
Grattugiato, sì.
Dove sta? Yay. Guarda che bello che è, aspetta. Tunarellos.
Cazzo, dai, non te con me, che te frega.
Non posso che...
Com'è?
What I wanna do? I wanna do some lemon. Ma che è?
Sei la vederla?
Tradimento. Oh yes. Parmigiano abundant. Beautiful. And now we mix. Give me 2 wooden spoons. I always prefer the smell of the lemon peels that you see, they get lost among the tornarelli pasta. You can barely see them, but when you bite into it, oh, it's magic. I've decided to do this completely off the fire. You do not want to overcook the heavy cream. It's annoying, it gets sticky, and it's not as fluid and beautiful. So completely off the fire, we put the parmigiano, we add enough pasta water, tears of the gods inside, and we just mix it. Generous amount, guys. And now, twist it. Second, a little bit more. Just gorgeous. Guys, this is not fair. This Tonarello creamy lemon with mint, it's too good, and I want to eat it all, and now I gotta share it with him. Can you believe it? The thing is that all of it together, the mint, the lemon, the peel, the parmigiano, the cream, the butter, I mean, it just makes it all come together into a unique piece of original beauty. Just like you are. The brother test? What the? Go! You were supposed to wait for me! How is it?
I don't know if you guys ever been in Rome. There's a beautiful garden, the orange garden.
E il limone! The orange
Gli agri, l'agro.
See, the orange grove, but the thing is the citrus grove.
Yeah.
Citrus. So hard being great. I'm gonna leave. Bye.